Breaking news, tech fam! Amazon just threw its hat in the ring to buy TikTok days before a US ban could kill the app for good. With the April 5th deadline looming, is this a genius power move or a desperate grab? Stick with me because this could flip the internet upside down. Here's the deal. TikTok Chinese owner ByteDance has until Saturday, April 5th, 2025 to sell to a non-Chinese buyer or it's lights out in the US. Why? National security fears tied to China. Enter Amazon, dropping a last-minute bid that's got everyone buzzing. But they're not alone. Bidders are piling up like it's a Black Friday sale. The Amazon angle. So why Amazon? Picture this, 170 million American TikTok users scrolling, shopping, and vibing. Amazon's already king of e-commerce, add TikTok's viral magic, and you've got a retail rocket ship. They've tried social plays before, Twitch, Goodreads, even a TikTok clone called Inspire that flopped. Now Jeff Bezos' empire might snag the real deal. Reports say they sent a letter to Vice President J.D. Vance and Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, but here's the tea. Insiders aren't taking it seriously yet. Is Amazon flexing muscle or just bluffing? Amazon isn't solo in the showdown. Oracle's pushing a tech-heavy bid with U.S. investors. Blackstone's eyeing a stake with ByteDance's non-Chinese stakeholders. Even OnlyFans founder Tim Stokely's teamed up with a crypto crew for a wild card play. Trump's meeting officials right now to pick a winner or extend the deadline again. TikTok's fate? It's a nail-biter and the clock's ticking. Why does this matter? TikTok's not just dance videos, it's a shopping juggernaut. Nearly half of its US users buy stuff there, and Amazon wants that pie. If they win, imagine Prime shipping meets TikTok trends. Next day, hauls going viral. But if ByteDance holds firm or China blocks the sale, 170 million users could lose their favorite app overnight. This isn't just a bid war, it's a tech turf war with you in the crosshairs. Will Amazon pull it off, or is this bid DOA? Could Oracle or a dark horse steal the show? Trump's got till Saturday to decide, or punt it down the road. I'll be tracking every twist so you don't miss a beat. Who do you think should win this TikTok tug of war? Let's hear it. Alright crew, what's your take? Amazon, Oracle, or someone else? Drop your pick in the comments.